Hi, I'm Amber Valentina. I am 5'7", and I am auditioning for the role of Nicole, and I am willing to work as a local hire.
I'm trying to be patient and all, but what in the world is wrong with
Nothing. Why are you stressed? I'm the one that should be tense. I mean, look at me. I was just trying to have a little fun.
you? It was more than that.
How?
Where do I start? Oh, how about talking about our romantic getaways with my wife?
That was bonding.
It was inappropriate.
Oh, please. According to who? Her?
No, me. It was uncomfortable for me, so I can only imagine how she must have felt.
She can speak up.
Do you think that's what I want? Two women that mean the most to me fighting? Let me be clear. It's not.
Well, excuse me.
No, this is not a game.
Fine. If I cross the line, I'm sorry.
For real.
Yeah. It won't happen again.
Thank you. I'm gonna.
You know what? Um, I'm not feeling well.
What's wrong?
I think I drank too much.
See, I told you to slow down.
Look, stop nagging and help me. I need to lay down.
I know what you're doing.
Nothing. I thought I had to sneeze. That's it.
Mm, okay. You comfortable? Nicole, what the hell was that?
I'm sorry. I couldn't help it.
What are you doing? I have a wife.
And that used to be me.
And it's been over between us.
I know. But seeing the way you are with her, it just reminds me of the way it was. And I just thought,
You thought what? That I would cheat on her? Really? I'm sorry, but you have to leave.
what?
Look, I know you're on objective, but you can't stay here.
Where was where was all this devotion when it came to us, huh?
Yo, how could you say something like that to me? I fought for our marriage. I did the counseling, the therapy, date nights, praying, and it didn't work. And we both agreed that we deserved more. Now you're trying to weaponize our failed marriage here with our kids and April in the next room? You really must be sauced up. Look, I'm sorry for raising my voice.
Thanks. I don't I don't know where this is coming from, Mike. You know I'm not this kind of person, and but don't you ever think about us?
Of course, you're the mother of my children.
And that's all.
Why are you? I don't know what to say to that. You gave me the greatest gift of all.
But she has your heart.
I can't do this.
Mike,